G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here, product evangelist and partner manager for Valo. Now, have you ever wanted to create a poll and add that poll to the homepage of your intranet? Now, it's a common thing, and I've seen many different ways in which organizations have done this, whether that be from a custom solution that's been developed with a developer, to just a simple SharePoint list that's been added to a page. But at Valo, what we can do is use our custom content creation tool to quickly and easily create a poll and add a modern web part to the page so that users can vote on that poll. So let's jump in and take a look at how we do that. So in the bottom right hand corner here, we've got our toolbox, and we're going to create a poll. So after I click create content, I've got the option here to be able to create a poll. Now I'm just going to choose that. Now you can see here that we actually create the poll from this panel that slides out. So what we can see here, we give this a title. So let's go, should we have an online Christmas party? And let's just add a few choices here. So we'll go yes, no, and you can continually add these choices as you need to. We can make this anonymous if we want to by choosing this toggle switch here. We give it a start date, we give it an end date, and then we can then create that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to start this as of yesterday, and let's create that poll. Okay, so now the poll's been created. What we need to do now is simply add that web part to the page. Okay, so let's edit this home page, and I want to pop this up the top here. So from the web part toolbox, we've got, and what comes with Valo is a number of custom web parts. And the web part we need to use is the Valo Universal web part, and we need to configure that to show that poll that we've just created. So from the data source connections option here, we choose polls, and then all we need to do is we need to select the poll that we've just created, and here it is here. All right, so should we have an online Christmas party? Let's select that. I can edit this poll directly from here if I need to make any changes, and I do want to allow users to vote. Now, the other options that we've got down the bottom here under the styling category is that we can set a custom loading message, or we can even jump in and add some custom styles. So CSS overrides, things like that, to make our poll look and stand out a little bit more than it already does. And what we're going to do is we're just going to apply that. So what's happening here is we're now going to be displaying that poll on the home page, and after we republish that page, everybody's going to be able to respond to that poll. So let's republish that now, and let's take a look at how that looks. So on top of the tiles here, we've got our poll that's now been added to the page, and we've got the ability now to be able to respond to that. All right, so we can select our option and we can vote. And now that has been submitted, and we can then review all those results after they've been done. Okay, so creating a poll has been super easy using the custom content creation tool, where we create all our content in the Valo intranet. One of those options is to create a poll, super quick, super easy, and added it to the page. Hope that brings you some value. See you in the next episode.